2024, a whole new year with the treasure chest of opportunities waiting to be seized. And who better to guide us through this maze of investment choices than the one and only Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha? Buffett's not your ordinary investor. He's a maestro, a wizard of the market, and his playbook is more than numbers and charts. It's a philosophy rooted in values and long-term vision. His journey began in Omaha, Nebraska, thanks to a spark from his father, a stockbroker. From hustling newspapers to running pinball machines, every step set the stage for his investing empire. But it was meeting Benjamin Graham, the godfather of value investing, that laid the bedrock for Buffett's incredible success. His secret sauce? Value investing. Imagine finding hidden gems in the stock market. Those diamonds undervalued by the crowd but holding the promise of long-term growth. Coca-Cola anyone, when it hit a rough patch, Buffett saw beyond and made a killing. But here's the magic: patience and understanding. While the world is busy panicking over market chaos, Buffett's sipping his cola, focusing on where these companies are headed. And guess what? It's not a one-time formula, it's a timeless gem. His mantra? Stick to what you know. No flashy trends or risky bets. He's all about steady, predictable business. It's like planting seeds and watching them grow into mighty oaks over time. No quick fixes. It's all about that long game. Buffett is not just an investor. He's a sage guiding us through the maze of investment choices. His principles aren't just strategies. They're values, wisdom, and the key to navigating the choppy waters of the investment world in 2024 and beyond. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of Buffett's insights as we unravel more mysteries, decode market trends, and gear up for a financially savvy year ahead. Because remember, investing isn't just for the Wall Street elite. It's for all of us dreaming of a brighter, more secure financial future. So let's continue by questioning Buffett's golden rule. Know what you're investing in. It's not just about the numbers on the ticker. It's about understanding a company's core, its essence, before you dive in. Stick to your circle of competence to cut down on those risks. He's all about the long game. Say goodbye to those quick wins for that slow, steady growth. Keep learning, keep growing. That's the Buffett's mantra. This isn't just investment advice, it's a philosophy. It's about patience, understanding, and the unwavering pursuit of long-term growth. It's your map through the roller coaster of 2024, emphasizing value, patience, and sustainable growth. Remember, invest in what you understand, and the learning journey never ends. Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, they're not just names. They're success stories defying market norms, outperforming averages like they're walking in a park. Think about it, 20.1% annual return since 1965. Compare that to the market's 10 to 12%. Mind-blowing. 2024 might throw some economic curveballs your way. There's talk of austerity, whispers of recession. But in Buffett's world, downturns are opportunities, not nightmares. He's all about playing it cool amidst the chaos. Fearful when others are greedy. Wise words right there. Inflation is no stranger to Buffett either. His trick is to invest in businesses that can stand tall amidst the rising prices. Companies with a competitive edge, like pricing power, they can weather that storm. Think Apple, think MasterCard, the big leagues. Interest rates, to Buffett, they're like gravity to matter. They shake things up, especially those stock prices. Rising rates often signal market declines. But you know what Buffett says? Think long-term. Grab those opportunities when the market's taking a dip. His parting words: build that emergency fund, play the long game, and here's the kicker: don't obsess over your portfolio during those market storms. That's how you navigate through the rough seas of financial uncertainty. Ultimately, it's about resilience, seizing those opportunities when the chips are down, and focusing on the long-term game. Buffett's teachings? Priceless. They could be your compass through the economic wilderness of 2024 and beyond. Navigating the musky waters of inflation in the US, that's like reading the stars in a constantly shifting sky. But let's unravel this thread. Compare it to the inflation roller coasters of the 70s and 80s and see what the future might hold for us. Now, inflation's not just numbers. It's a wild, unpredictable ride influenced by our past economic dances. Think back to those times of excess money and scarcer goods, wartime woes. But this time, it's a different melody. We're talking loads of money sloshing around and goods abundantly, but prices, they're soaring, riding that inflation wave. Stimulus packages, anyone? They're like the fuel to this economic bonfire pumping up the cash flow. And if you've peeked at the Federal Reserve's sheet, it's a double take. $2.2 trillion in circulation. That's a cool $7,000 for every American. But where is it all hiding? Who's got the dollars in the wallets? That's the mystery. Let's dive into a little thought experiment. Picture this, $1 million for each household. But hold on, they can't spend it right away. So what happens? Boom! Household wealth doubles on paper. But wait for it, prices skyrocket as everyone's racing to grab what they can. It's a cash injection frenzy leading to inflation. The recent money shower to households, well, it's the wind beneath the wings of various sectors, boosting spending left, right, and center. It's like the invisible force puppeteering our market, nudging consumer behavior in mysterious ways. Now don't get me wrong, this cash flow, it was like a band-aid on a wound. Necessary? Maybe. Inflation is a beast we might have had to tame to dodge a bigger disaster. But here's the catch. The economy is a wild, unpredictable beast. It's got these cycles of ups and downs and loops. I mean, back in '42, when I made my first investment, it was more about faith in our nation during wartime than crystal ball predictions. So what's the bottom line? Inflation's this big, tangled puzzle of past lessons, government moves, and market quirks. You've gotta decode this puzzle to navigate its twists and turns effectively. It's a tricky business, but understanding the beast is your key to surviving its roar. Investing, it's like planting seeds for your financial future. Now let's talk about putting $1,000 to work for you. But hold on, because how you play this could shape your financial landscape. So you've got this grand. It's like a ticket to the investment world, but here's the twist. If it's a one-time gig, tossing it into stocks or high-risk ventures might not be your best bet. Sure, savings commendable, but the sad truth? A savings account is a slow cooker, barely simmering at 0.33%, even 5 years down the line, minimal growth. CDs, yeah, they're slightly juicier at 1.37%, but still not the jackpot. Even with the stock market's 7% dance over 5 years, you're looking at what, $1,400? An improvement, but not exactly fireworks. But here's where the plot thickens, investing in yourself. Warren Buffett's all about it. Learn, grow, and watch your value skyrocket. Courses, skills, marketing, programming, they're like rocket fuel in today's market. Now the internet, it's like a treasure trove. Invest in know-how, kickstart a gig, and voila! It's an investment snowball rolling into business and financial markets. Now for the regulars, passive income's your game. Index funds, smooth sailing, low risk. Go for the popular ones like VO or SPY. They're like training wheels for beginners. Real estate? It's solid, a tad less liquid, but it's an option. Oh, and the secret sauce? Pay off those pesky high-interest debts early. It's like earning a return equal to the interest rate, unlocking financial flexibility. So wise choices, be it investing in yourself, diverse portfolios, or waving goodbye to debts, it's like planting seeds of financial security. Watch them grow and blossom into your wealth garden. In the end, remember, investing isn't just about money. It's about securing your future, nurturing your potential, and building a life you envision. Whether it's $1,000 or more, each step you take toward financial literacy and smart investments is a step closer to the life you aspire to lead. So embrace learning, explore diverse investment avenues, and above all, trust in the power of your choices. Your financial journey is a story waiting to unfold. Make it one filled with growth, resilience, and endless possibilities. If you want to learn more about Warren Buffett's strategy, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.